Ajang balap sepeda UCI World Eliminator beberapa waktu lalu di Palangkaraya tak cuma soal adu cepat para pebalap sepeda mountain bike. Selain karena kecepatan dan ketangguhan para atlet, banyak orang dibuat terpukau oleh elok paras indah para tamu dari mancanegara.
Hello guys, I'm Hannah Beck from Germany and I'm here with...
Sosok satu ini adalah contohnya. Tidak beruntung karena mengalami problem mekanik dengan tunggangannya, ia tetap tersenyum ramah kepada semua orang yang ingin mengajaknya berfoto. Dalam kesempatan wawancara eksklusif dengan Sport 7, Dara satu ini mengaku senang bisa kembali ke Indonesia karena ia menemui orang-orang yang begitu menyenangkan.
It's the people. Everybody is so welcoming. Everybody is so nice and kind to me. And I'm so happy to be supported like that. I feel very thankful to receive all of the messages and yeah, that's why I love to be here. Everybody is so kind to me.
Hannah merupakan pembalap muda yang baru memasuki musim ketiga dalam kejuaraan dunia MTB. Wanita 20 tahun ini datang dari keluarga yang begitu menggilai olahraga.
So my family is very sport enthusiastic, so that's why I love to do sport as well. So my parents, they are both cycling. That's why I started with cycling. They founded my home club. So my father has been my trainer for a long time and they do a lot of trainings with me together. And we just love to do bicycle rides, but we also go for a run together, or especially we love to go hiking on vacation.
Seperti kebanyakan orang Jerman, rata-rata mereka menggemari sepak bola karena begitu populer di negaranya. Meski Hannah dan ayahnya tetap memilih bersepeda sebagai aktivitas berolahraga, namun sesekali cewek Aries ini datang ke stadion untuk menonton pertandingan klub lokal di tempatnya tinggal.
I support Freiburg. It's the city I live in. So yeah, I'm currently studying in Freiburg. That's why I support the club there. It's the closest club to my hometown.
Selain alasan proximity, wanita yang gemar melukis ini juga mengaku sebagai pendukung Bayern Munchen. Klub dengan gelar terbanyak Liga Jerman yang tahun ini gagal memenangkan gelar karena Bayer Leverkusen begitu perkasa di dalam negeri.
So I have relatives living in Bavaria. I've often visited Bavaria and München especially, so yeah, I support them. Yes, so I don't know that much about football, I do have to say. But yeah, when I had the World Cup in Barcelona in Spain, we saw that there's a football match in the evening and we used our chance to watch a match. Yeah.
Cewek kelahiran April tahun 2004 ini mungkin terlihat santai dan bahagia menjalani perannya sebagai seorang atlet. Namun, ia mengaku cukup tertekan karena punya tanggung jawab lain, yakni kuliah demi mengejar cita-citanya di luar bidang olahraga.
I'm still in my first year. Yeah, in the second semester, I started studying last year. It's really stressful. Yeah, I have two dreams. Of course, I love cycling and I want to do all the World Cups and improve my cycling career. But I also want to focus on studying. Yeah, you never know what happens if I have a crash or something. I always want to have something I can, yeah, just build a base on. So that's why I really want to focus on studying as well.
Seakan tak cukup beban menjadi seorang atlet plus mahasiswa. Hannah terkadang juga mendapatkan respon atau komentar tak menyenangkan dari oknum netizen yang membuatnya merasa sedih.
So it depends on the moment. Of course, I try not to listen to it, but sometimes I'm not always happy. I have bad moments too. So sometimes when you're struggling in life and then you read comments like that, it's not easy to just ignore them. But luckily I have a very supportive family and a very nice coach. So yeah, they always help me, and I try to ignore it as much. Yeah, thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you for all of your kind messages. I'm really happy to be here, and I love you all, guys.
Selain Hannah, ada sosok cantik lain yang juga punya peran ganda pada ajang UCI Mountain Bike kali ini.
Hi guys, I'm Elodie and I'm from the Netherlands.
Pembalap cantik satu ini punya nama lengkap Elodie Kuiper dan juga lahir dari orang tua penggila sepeda. Sejak kecil, ia mengaku mencoba berbagai jenis olahraga. Namun akhirnya tetap jatuh cinta kepada kegiatan bersepeda, khususnya road cycling dan cyclecross. Elodie sudah aktif mengikuti berbagai kejuaraan di Eropa sejak tahun 2019 dan baru di tahun terakhir terjun di ajang mountain bike. Sayangnya, ia mengalami cedera parah awal tahun ini.
So, in the beginning of the year, in January, I actually had a very bad crash where I broke my back. And I was very lucky that I can still walk and all of this. And before, my goal was actually that I could finish a top 20 in the World Championships. But now that I broke my back and this is actually going to be my first race back again, my goals have shifted a little bit because I really want to be a pro mountain bike rider.
Cedera dan recovery yang cukup memakan waktu ini pula yang membuatnya mencoba kesempatan lain menjadi seorang social media manager untuk Siri Mountain Bike yang merupakan organizer dari ajang yang ia jalani. Kebetulan, hal tersebut sejalan dengan jurusan kuliah yang ia ambil belakangan.
Social media was upcoming and everything, so I started with a diploma in marketing and communications, which I also have now. And now I actually am the social media manager for City Mountain Bike. And I have some other clients that I am the social media and the marketing manager for. So I combine actually being an athlete with also working.
Bisa bepergian ke seluruh penjuru dunia merupakan alasan mendasar mengapa Elodie begitu menikmati peran gandanya sebagai seorang atlet dan juga social media manager.
Yes, I really like traveling. So when I was young, because my family lives in France, a part of it. We only went on vacation until I was 12, always to France, always. And then when I got the taste of traveling, like now you can call me day or night and I will fly out to a country that I don't know on my own because I just like to travel actually.
Satu keuntungan dari aktivitasnya sekarang adalah bisa berkunjung ke Indonesia. Bagi seseorang berdarah Belanda, ia menyadari bahwa kedua negara punya koneksi khusus pada masa lalu.
For me, for Indonesia, it's a lot like I really love history. And I know that like Indonesia was a colony of the Netherlands, and we have a lot of Indonesian people living in the Netherlands still. And it's just very nice to see your culture, and I really appreciate it. Indonesia is really growing on me. Like I really like it here. It's so lovely, and the people are so nice. Indonesian people, they are very nice. They always smile. I've not seen an angry Indonesian person actually, and they're just like, if I ask them something, they always want to help, and this I really appreciate.
Sahabat, jangan lewatkan keseruan bermain trivia bersama Hannah dan Elodie di tayangan Sport 7 selanjutnya.